emotions get us in trouble too.
For sure. They do.
Because we make decisions based on emotions.
Yeah, and that actually hurt me in the beginning years. There's been times where I've lost some really great people because of my way of managing. And like I said, having the right team members. I have my partner Matt Vickers. He's actually in Houston at the moment, but I would say Matt, you got Casey, I got Cody and Dallas. These guys, we all think the same. I think when you surround yourself with the team members that are like, before you say something, they can finish the sentence. You're in the best place you could be, because then you know that if something happened to you, that everything's gonna be okay. That's all I want. I want, like, if something ever happened to me, I want the company to keep rolling, because there's still gonna be. We have 10,000 customers just in Austin. So you take that, and if something ever happened to me, it's still gonna be running. The business has to keep going. That's how I look at it.
You surround your people that not only believe in you, but they understand where you're going, because based on what you're telling me, the people in your company, they know where you're going. What is your vision? You, Casey, you all, just kind of balance each other. But it's important for any business, any CEO as you, that they know where they're going. They light the way. Like they say, hey guys, we're going here, we're going to Dallas.
I like what you just said, because a lot of our staff members, they want to see, what are we doing? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? And I want to start, whenever I do our reviews with our team members, we always do that. Like, what do you see? Where do you see yourself? What do you want to be? Because there's people out there like that. Honestly, if someone came to me and goes, hey, I want to start a business just like yours, I'm going to give them a lot of bad news and good news. Like, I'm going to give them some bad advice, honest, because it's going to be at least 15 years of it. It's going to be hard. Our industry is very hard. It's not like like your real estate type where you get large commissions and you can stack that if you do a lot of business, or mortgage brokers, or you're involved in commercial real estate, that kind of stuff. You can stack money. With us, you're looking at, you got to get a lot of, for $20 a month, $30 a month. You're going to have to get like 5,000 of those clients to be able to be successful. And it's taken us years. I mean, it took us 25 years to get where we are, and we have a great clientele. But our thing is, if you don't take care of that clientele with the right staff, they're gonna walk.
Who comes first in your business? I always ask this from the leaders, from the CEOs, that your staff or your clients?
That's a good one. It's always gonna be my staff.
Wow.
It's always gonna be, yeah. Because I said it today. I'm gonna say this. I don't know if it'll come on the show, but I've had some clients of mine that were, please don't send certain races to my business.